Replacement Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the battered brute.
We go. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole. It's
Quarter- siren, the battered brute.
We go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole. Exactly.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso
I think
as well?
it is!
There's
Unbelievable!
Fire from the Ducati. The high side. Down he went. One of the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac runoff quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't.
A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Damn the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Viñales then following Morbidelli.
battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around Maggots and Beckett's. Quartararo, he's wincing a bit.
Yeah, well, that was a big launch over the handlebars.
Dovizioso second. Going to fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quartararo then with 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already. Marquez
Down the hill into turn number 4. Rossi's on the charge. He started 10.
has Crutchlow. He's gone down and he's holding his hand. And there is Tolles.
He's under pressure from Marc Marquez. Rossi has made a great progress. Up 5 places from 10th to 5th.
He's charging through, but he's gone deep.
Jack Miller was briefly
Side by side, Marquez and Dovizioso. Did they almost? Them were giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly. And that means now we have been such a start. And now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Dovy's up the inside as well.
heart-stopping Stein away up the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left it
here. And this is as far back as he's been in a long time. Dovey up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third.
Marquez drive. Dovizioso powers on. Dovizioso second.
Going to fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quartararo then with 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already. Marquez
Down the hill into turn number 4. Rossi's on the charge. He started 10.
There's Crutchlow. He's gone down and he's holding his hand. And there is Tolles.
He's under pressure from Marc Marquez. Rossi has made a great progress. Up 5 places from 10th to 5th.
Quartararo flying.
Rins keeps making mistakes. In fact, Viñales all over him. Here comes Marquez.